To maintain a pulse on your team, near real-time reporting is often required. Power BI dashboards using DirectQuery can facilitate this. At a glance, we can interrogate utilization trends by department or by individual resource. Jasmine appears to be overbooked on Friday, as indicated by the red, amber, green status. We can drill through the booking detail to review her assignments. To prevent burnout and overworking, we will adjust her bookings. This writes data back in real time to the resource management database via an embedded Power App. After reducing the scheduled workload, the whole dashboard updates immediately to reflect the booking change. Using DirectQuery is particularly effective when you need near real-time reporting, integration with data write-back scenarios, or analysis of very large datasets. However, DirectQuery may be less suitable when your data sources have slow connections, dashboard responsiveness is top priority, or you are using complex DAX or M code that breaks query folding. To create a DirectQuery dashboard, we go into Power Query and select a compatible data source. I am using Azure SQL Server in this example. Under Data Connectivity, we choose DirectQuery. After selecting the relevant tables, hit Close and Apply. In the modeling view, tables using DirectQuery are highlighted in blue. To show that this is a live dashboard, I will add a table and a KPI card. Then I will set page refresh for every 1 second. As I add new records to the database, the records show up immediately. Thanks for watching.